Hey, this is Paul from PDFelement, and by now you've probably seen that we've got our Mac and Windows desktop apps, but did you know there is also a version of this for iOS, and we have updated it to version 2, and this video is going to go in depth and show you exactly what all those changes are all about. So the best thing to do is go to the iOS App Store and download the app, and then let's get into today's video and show you exactly what is new. As we know, if you've got your phone with you, your smartphone, it is a necessity for everyday life. You have everything on this, from banking to friends and family contacts and videos and photos. But also, if you need to get work done, then you need to get the best apps for the job that can make things nice and quick and easy. And that's what you can do with the PDFelement app that you can download on the iOS stores. So there's been some cool changes on this app. So let's go through and show you what some of those big changes are. The first thing you'll notice as soon as you download that app and open it up, that user interface has now changed and everything looks just a little bit more new. It looks slicker, it's got a more modern design, and what you'll notice is you can start to access things quicker and easier than you ever could do before, and you can see that immediately from the home screen. With this new simplified UI, you can see that we've changed everything from coloured buttons at the bottom and its shape, and everything has been redesigned for user friendliness. And this redesign makes it a lot easier to get to your favourite parts of the app, so no searching for hours anymore, and what you can do is you can get really quick access to things like PDFelement iCloud storage, file conversion, favourites, downloads, and even trash. So it makes it easier than ever for you to access the right functionality without having to search through endless menus for what you want. The new version uses appropriate icons as well to indicate various functions, including convenient shortcuts on the home screen, faster navigation to access specific functions, easier access to important locations and functions. Less clutter means better user productivity, and then there are clear images to avoid misidentification of those features. And you can probably guess what I'm trying to say is that this new app and the redesign makes it so much easier to access the things that you love and that you need straight away. And I think Wondershare, PDFelement have hit this right on the head. With that new redesigned UI, what it makes is it makes it easier for you to find your favorite editing tools that are on that home screen. And with this, it will also make that user experience a lot smoother. And then once you're inside the interface, you can see that the interface on the homepage has also now offers two handy buttons for quicker navigation to documents that you've recently worked on, as well as tools you need quick access to. Also, we have a recent button, and that recent button at the bottom allows you to see the files you've recently opened in the app. So if you closed PDFelement and then forgot to make some changes, you can then get easy, quick access and click the recents in the new tab that you can find at the bottom. Next to that new recent button, you'll see a new button called Tools. This useful section contains all the tools that you need to manage your PDF and document workflow, including importing from connected online storage locations, file conversion, image to PDF rendering, PDF file size reduction, and PDF file merging and file compression. With the two new buttons at the bottom with recent and tools, it gives you access to what you need quickly. So again, if you close the app and need to get back to a PDF document that you're working on, you can go to recents. And of course, if you need those certain tools, you can click that tools button at the bottom and it will give you that big list of tools that you might need to help work with your PDF document. And this new app is all about that. It's getting you to where you need to be quicker than you've ever been able to get there before and get that work done. When you have an app like this, the editing function is something that is crucial, and you need to make sure that it is nice and easy to use, and that is something that we've done here in version 2. When opening a document in PDFelement for iOS, you will now see a primitive toolbar at the bottom with tabs for key document editing functions such as annotation, text editing, and image editing, and this satisfies your need for editing any document, anytime, anywhere. With commenting, this tool has all the PDF commenting features you will need to view, mark up, and provide feedback on documents on the go. And you can choose between various pen tool options, text boxes, highlight colors, borders, shapes, and stamps. And actions can also be undone immediately using the undo button on the editing toolbar. With text, this version of PDFelement for iOS has brought all the functionality of desktop PDFelement editing to iPhone and iPad. This gives you full control over all text elements in that PDF file, including hyperlinks, watermarks, footer and header text, body text, headings, headers, paragraphs, and more. And you can also use the handles to drag text and resize or reposition it within that document. As well as editing text, there'll be times where you need to edit images as well, and you can do that within this app. Coming to our organization page, you can do things like resize, reposition, replace, rotate, extract, and do similar things, which should be a very useful feature for everyone using this app. And we can see that the image editing control in PDFelement's new avatar for iOS are very intuitive, allowing users to change the image layout, size, and alignment in seconds instead of it taking minutes. Having quick access to all the editing elements in a PDF editing piece of software is what you need and is crucial, and that's what you can do on PDFelement for iOS, and that is why it's been redesigned so it is nice and easy, and like we said, to get you doing your editing done in seconds rather than minutes. For mobile phone side efficiency software, making sure you can do that signature is essential. When you receive that file and you need to sign it, what you can do inside the PDFelement iOS app is immediately sign it with your handwritten signature, and then what you can do, use our cloud to share or save those files. Once the file is on screen, you can use the pen buttons to select your digital ink. You can use your finger or even a stylus or Apple Pencil to write your signature as well. PDFelement also has a lot of flexibility in the size and color of the pen you use and offers a variety of options. You can also enter your signature in a plain text if that's something you prefer. Then after saving the file, you can simply export it as a signed document, and it's important to remember to create an account with PDFelement to ensure your work is saved and can be exported. But once you've done that, you should then be able to easily share or send your PDF files. One of my favorite elements coming to this new iOS app is the fact that it now supports dark mode, and it's obviously proven that using dark mode can help lessen the strain on eyes, and it's also quite nice that when you've got dark mode enabled on your phone that you don't go into an app and it blinds you. So now on the PDFelement app for iOS, we now have dark mode enabled. When you sit there working on your phone for hours as well, sometimes it's nice to not have a massive big bright screen shining in your face, and that's something that we've thought about and wanted to make sure our users don't have. So when you download the PDFelement app for iOS, you will now realize that dark mode is enabled. Due to different complexities, not everything that you can find on that desktop PDFelement app works over here on the iOS version of the app. However, the conversion function is something that greatly satisfies users when using their mobile phone to help convert files. The new text function of PDFelement for iOS supports 12 common document formats and PDF files. These formats include Microsoft Office files such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, image files such as JPEG and PNGs, and other formats such as HTML, EPUB, text, and RTF. And this app lets you easily convert PDFs on iPhone and iPad with a powerful and highly accurate conversion engine. So if you're ever in need of converting a file when you're on the go, then this is exactly the app that you need to use. A question that we've been asked before is, can I edit PDF documents on my mobile phone only by uploading them? And the answer is no. This product supports scanning PDFs. With this shortcut function, you can use your documents efficiently, take pictures, edit them, and share them at last. And this is massively convenient. And let me show you exactly what you need to do. First, quickly scan one or more copies of the document image through the shortcut and turn it easily into a PDF, and then you can modify it directly after scanning, thereby providing you with greater flexibility. Plus, if your scanned documents aren't too corporate, you can define and crop areas for individual pages and apply them to all files, making it more efficient in the process. Watermarks are a really important way to make sure you can show document-specific information. PDFelement for iOS now allows you to use custom watermarks and control properties such as position, size, rotation, opacity, and the page range where the watermark should appear. And you can also remove any existing watermarks to clean up the document. You can even use image background as watermarks if that's something that you want to do. So far, we've added features that users love, including things like PDF printing, PDF file optimization, file sharing, PDF page organization, and more. Also, if you see that feedback option, then do use the feedback option. The team really need to know what's working, what isn't, and of course, if you have ideas for new features inside the PDFelement iOS app, then let us know, because we want to make sure this app is the best PDF editing software out there, and we need it to make sure that it is nice and efficient and easy to use for everyone who downloads the app. If this video helped you out and you enjoyed seeing the new version of our iOS PDFelement app, then why not subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, and let us know in the comments what is your favorite feature in this new iOS version 2 of PDFelement. If you do all of that, then we will see you in the next video.